Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by connecting and preparing the hardware. Place the Airpods Pro in their case, plug the case into power, and ensure the battery is at least 50%. This prevents interruptions. On your iPhone or iPad, verify it's paired and connected via Bluetooth, and keep the host device awake and unlocked. Once done, leave the case open near the phone. The system triggers updates only when the Airpods are connected and the host has internet access, so don't walk away. Now you focus on triggering the firmware install. With the case open and Airpods seated, keep the host device unlocked and connected to Wi-Fi. The update installs automatically in the background. You can speed things up by restarting the iPhone while Airpods are connected, then leaving them idle for 15-30 minutes. Make sure you check the Airpods firmware version in Settings General about Airpods to confirm progress. Because manual forcing isn't available, patience and correct connection are what make the update happen. Finish by verifying and testing features. After a successful install, check the firmware number in settings and then test active noise cancellation, spatial audio, and microphone performance to ensure the update applied. If the firmware didn't update, reset the Airpods. In Bluetooth settings, choose Forget this device, hold the case button for about 15 seconds until the light flashes amber then white, repair, and repeat the idle updating step. If issues persist, contact Apple support for deeper diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.